Yo. What's happening, boys? There you go. Let's open the Discord up and stuff really quick and just get everything connected. Woke up a bit late today. Okay. Oh, yen fell. Wow. Okay. Yen fell. Wow. Damn it. Give me the... I like the look of this because this just makes me think to go short on gbpchf. There, 2 million there, drag that there, 2 million there, drag that all the way down there, 2 million there, drag that all the way down there, 2 million, dashboard, set that up here, 3 view split window. Well, you guys are here early today, man. Flipping hell, boys. Wow, okay. 1 second here, I literally woke up a bit late, man. Well, no, that's a lie. I woke up on time, but I was in the toilet for too long. You know, you just sat down and just looking at memes and stuff, and you're like, oh shoot, I need to start the live stream. Oh my god, it's quite funny, man. Okay, let's keep going. There. Legit, man. I was like, oh shit, I'm late for the live stream. Oh man. Yeah. Because remember, I'll wake up and I'd start streaming straight away in it. So like, if I lag for 5 minutes, bro, then I could be late for the stream, innit? Also, the computer does a weird thing. When I turn it on, like I turn it on and then I go to the toilet, and then obviously like when I come back, it should all be booted up and stuff like that, yeah? And sometimes it goes into sleep mode, and when it goes into sleep mode and I press any button on the keyboard, it doesn't turn on. So I have to turn it off by hard pressing the power button and then turn it back on again, and there's like 2-3 minutes gone when you're already late. So yeah. Okay, so you just had Frankfurt open. Hey, that's not supposed to be there. It's supposed to be there. That's at 9:30. That's at... Why is that 12:30? Did I mess up on some of my... 1 second. Just give me 1 second, lads. I just need to check. 7 o'clock, 9:31. 7 o'clock, 9:31. 7 o'clock, 9:31. Okay, yeah, I just probably accidentally moved it by clicking something in my fat chubby fingers. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3, 4 lows right there. That looks easy. And we got 2, 3 equal highs here. This is interesting. Where's price gonna go in GU? Let's go on the 5-minute time frame. I can't read this price action because there is no direction. All I can say is there's a bunch of lows here. Price tagged into it, gave a reaction in Frankfurt, because you could say this is an invalid zone. Price, did it tag? It looks like it did. I mean, it looks like it did tag, right? I mean, so close. So close.
Takaichi says we will aim to secure market trust by reducing the debt to GDP ratio.
So that is super close for me. And then we got these. I'm gonna have to wait on this. Just give me 1 second, guys, because I need to do my quick analysis in it, bro. So I'm ready for like whatever's going on. Let's just get my pencil out. Here we go. Account is up 2.1. Beautiful, man. I'll read all the messages in a sec. Bunch of these highs got taken, broke structure. Ecolos got taken, broke structure. Channel got taken,
says, I would
failed
like
to break
tax
structure.
Continued debate on income tax.
Got a supply zone here, price tagged into, took out this liquidity, it failed to break structure, so that's interesting.
And we will seek fiscal health through lowering debt to GDP.
Oh. This zone's interesting to me. That's gonna fail. Let's go to pound yen. You have to go big screen on this. But remember, no rush, man. Don't rush it. If you're making 15% really quick, bro, you're better than all the banks and shit like that. Just remember that. You're not better than them. Point being that, sabr, yeah, like, and don't become like, yay, I'm up 4 days, or just be like, I'm just doing my job. I'm gonna pass. Of course I'm gonna pass. Build up, taken that, broke structure. A huge fall off down here. Confident and what's the word, like ego? No, not ego. Overconfident, innit? Overconfident. Don't be overconfident. Be confident with facts and data, not just 2, 3, 4 trades that worked out good. Like, just, I don't know how to explain it. I think you get what I mean. Okay, so channel potentially here. Discipline, yes, that's the word, discipline. I forgot the word. Build up, compressed channel action here, coming back down again. It looks like shorts are looking like the right play on yen from this bit of price action. There's a bit of chop, as you can see, but it's just analyzing where is the directional movements occurring. You have to look at all of it. I see direction occurring here. I see direction occurring here. I see invalid zone, Asia low. So it's kind of hinting to me price might want to come down. Now, if we go on M5, was there any zones that were relevant? Yeah, we did take out 1 low, 2 low, 3 low, 4 low. So support level right here. Oh, shoot. The support level right here. But then, oh shoot, messed up. Then, let's get rid of all of these in it. Then, we come down and we took out this low here. Yeah, and then we had a lovely reaction from there. Now, if price was giving bullish momentum from here, buyers coming in, I could clearly see that. Then I would switch to go longs, but obviously it's not looking like that. It's still looking like the goalpost is still shorts. Oh shoot, I forgot to put it in the Discord. 1 second. 1 second. It's Tuesday today, right? Yeah, Monday, Tuesday live stream. Live now. Even though most of you like, I just want to remain consistent. There. And then also I need to just drop down the links in the chat. The links in the chat. There. So now they're all in the chat, so I can come back and do them later on. Okay, so yeah, I mean M5, this looks like an invalid zone, quite possibly, just because we're not seeing that bullish type of price action occurring as of yet. But the issue we've got is it's Frankfurt open, so we need to just kind of be mindful. Where's price gonna go now? I would like to go long, yeah, because look at all of this. I mean, I don't know if you can see all of that, but we got a magnificent channel right there. We go on M15, it might be a bit more nicer. Yeah, there you go. There you go. That looks a bit more cleaner, doesn't it? And you could kind of say, yeah, we're stuck in that channel. Just ignore the bottom side of it because you come to this lower. But on the top side, we got the channel there. So I would like for price to come down, take out this Frankfurt low, not Frankfurt low, take out this Asia low.
In partnership with OpenAI. This is
Okay, perfect. Asia low. Oh shoot, I made a mistake there by clicking a button. Oopsie. So yeah, come take out this low, and then it'll hopefully have enough fuel to even take out ideally London low and then push up and take out all of this here is what I would prefer. We do have a problem though. What is the problem? Pound is looking bad. Bad. Not looking good for the pound right now. Things are definitely a little bit sticky. Let's have a quick look at let's stay on M15, have a quick glance at gold. Oh wow, gold sold off, didn't it? Let's get rid of that. Gold sold off 1%. What about silver? 1.43. Right, okay, let's go on the daily really quick. So we come up, made equal highs, drop down again. Okay, that's interesting. What about gold? Gold come up, fake out there, dropped all the way back down again. Right, that's interesting. Let's go back to M5. Get back on the yen. Yeah, I find that interesting for sure. That's a bit of interesting price action right there. What are we gonna do about CHF? I think CHF, yeah, to me is looking like a short, you know. Sit back on M15. Lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. You come up, took all these highs out here, which is interesting. That's a disgusting line, isn't it? Let's try that one again. So come took out 1, 2, 3, 4, and then reduced from there. Okay. On M5, I'd like to call this zone an invalid zone right here. I'd like to see failure of that zone ideally. So, and obviously we've got this channel going on right here too. So I like the look of this channel as well. On M2, drag that over here, drag that over there, come over here. That can probably stay over there, to be fair, or just, yeah, do that. So there's a channel right there. Now so we got a sweep on the low side, Frankfurt low, yeah. Now that could be the move to push the CHF up, but then I see a channel on the opposite side. How's it looking on? Let's go back over here, pull the pen out.
Well, hello everybody, this is Donald J. Trump. You're behind the markets. If you're a real day trader, go
It broke internal structure.
financialjuice.com/markets.
That's not clean. I suppose.
Isn't that one big, huge, brilliant deal?
Yeah,
Come on,
possibly, because then it did kind of do a retracement into the supply zone right here. Yep, actually, and then it pushed down, broke structure here, came into this supply zone. Yeah, okay, that can work. And then all of this is very choppy, and obviously Asia low, 5-minute zone, price coming, took that zone. Now you can see it just kind of just obliterated that zone.
Japan Finance Ministry are to announce
I would like
trade
to
date
go
from
short.
November 21st, changing the date from November 19th.
I would like to go short, but from where, innit? From where? Because because the thing is, you've got all of this as a channel, like all of this. Let's go on M1. You've got like all of this zone right here as like a full-on channel. So price goes fly up, take all the zone out, come to the Asia midline and sell off from there. So I think I want to sell this. Yeah, I think I want to sell it. Go to M2, and then just kind of sit and watch what's gonna happen with this. And then go on M2 on here. We got a bunch of highs over here. And then we got Asia midline right here. Yep. Let's drag down a bit. Actually, I'm gonna focus on this zone here. Yeah. Okay, let's see what happens from here, because we got a channel going on here as well. Let me just draw the channel so I don't end up losing sight of it. So we got that there and there. So let's see how this looks. Pound is still a bit of a sticky one because it's come up, obviously it's tagged the Frankfurt low, right? And then it's just flew up and tagged the high and it's rejected from the high. They're stuck in a range. So I think that's my analysis done. I've drew everything out that I wanted to. Right, let's look at the chat then. Okay, welcome. Wait, let me get the soundboard. Where are you, soundboard? Soundboard. Yeah, you're here in the background. Beautiful. Okay, here you go.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
Welcome, brothers. Bro, the UK is so cold right now, I swear. Okay, so I was in gold shorts about to hit BE. You shorted near a higher time frame low. Francis is laughing. Okay, that's probably laughing when I said the thing in it about me waking up late. Slept almost 4 a.m. watching the hung, but still woke up at 7. You're crazy, bro. Yeah, but still a $6 loss for real for the day. Account is up 2.1%. That's good, you know. 4-minute trading days met. Yeah, that's good. Gone through a lot of failures. That's good as well. Failures make you as a trader. Good work, Kamal. Stay disciplined. Yes, exactly. That's it. Discipline is the key. Don't become like arrogant about it just because you've had 1-2 good trades and you're up a couple percent, because up 2% is nothing when it comes to drawdown of 10 and blowing accounts. So just remain humble in it. So yeah. What? So yeah, that's it. Okay, I'm up to date with the chat. Hi, what's going on, lads? How are we? They've shipped the tablet. That should be here Thursday. Should be here Thursday. Track package. Basically, I'm not sure. But I analyzed everything that I could analyze, just so I could kind of see what the market's doing and what I'm seeing in terms of price action and stuff like that. So yeah, man, just kind of sitting and waiting, to be fair. I told my dad yesterday to invest some money in crypto. I don't know if he caught me in the spot. The correct spot. Should have told him to wait for bear market before getting in. No, just like started in a small way. We'll average. Yeah, just put in like $100, $1,000. Yeah, just a bit of money. And if it drops, then you know it's okay because you only got a bit of money in there. You still got a bit more liquid cash and stuff they can put back in. I'm gonna show you guys a post I seen on X. Yeah. Let me just share the screen onto Google Chrome. Where are you? Why does it not sometimes show the Chrome tab? It just shows that, but not the Chrome tab. Okay, one second. Pull it back up again. There we go. Okay, so this right here. To all crypto investors anxiously watching right now, since 2017, Bitcoin has seen 10 plus declines of 25% or more, 6 declines of 50% or more, 3 declines of 75% or more. Every single decline of the current magnitude or more since Bitcoin's inception has been followed by record highs. Disruption is not easy, but it pays when you can sound out the noise. This is a routine crypto bear market which we believe is really close to the end than it is its beginning. Volatility brings opportunity. I completely agree with that. You know, the market, it's a psychological thing, isn't it? There's a lot of psychology, yeah? With trading, as you already know, and with psychological levels and massive sell-offs and stuff like that. No, you're saying the bull market, you're saying the bear market's almost over. So basically, because there's a lot of people who, as soon as it started selling off, yeah, they're like, oh, bear market, bear market, bear market. No, what have I been saying the whole time? I've been saying discount, 25% discount, 30% discount, 40% discount. That's how I've been looking at it. So from my perspective, looking at that, yeah, statistically, data-wise, we should get at least 25 to 35% because you had at least 10 of those. 10 of those plus, 25 plus. So I would say, yeah, 35-45% is probably going to be like a solid level to get in a discount. 6 declines of 50 or more. So you see how 10 plus of 25 and it dropped drastically to 6, 50% or more drops. And then you've only had 3 75% drops. So for me, I think 35%, if 40% is a good deal, stick a, 1,000 in there or whatever. If you do get a 50% decline, I'd look for around 50 to 60%, stick another 1,000 in there. If you get a 75% discount, then I'll probably stick about 2,000-3,000 in there, and then I'll just hold it. They got about 4,000 they're set at each level. You're just slowly scaling into that as you're capturing that discount. Now, if we get a 75% drop, when we go back up, you're going to capitalize on that times 3 because you've been placing trades in on its way down. It's more of a dollar cost averaging approach. I don't know if you guys know dollar cost averaging or not, but it's a relatively decent strategy. I quite like it. All of the people I know who trade Forex successfully, they tend to dollar cost average. Yeah. Francis, go sleep, man. Go sleep. Go. If you're gonna DC, might as well automate. No, you could just do it yourself, innit? Just find a level, just stick a buy in there and just hold it. Yeah, that's what I'm saying basically, Amal. Same thing. Same thing pretty much. If it drops about 40% or whatever, stick 1,000 in. If it drops another 25%, so it's about 50-65%, stick another 1,000 in. If it drops another if it drops even more to like 75%, stick like 2,000 or 3,000 in. Or you could stick 2,000 in. If you get 100% drop, stick another 2,000-3,000 in, but then you're gonna be, you know, 5, 6, 7k. That's quite a lot of money. But yeah, it depends how you manage it, innit? How you manage oh bollocks. One second. That was the entry right here. What the I mean, it would have been within 1 minute anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Yeah, it would have been within 1 minute anyway, so it doesn't really matter. But I think it's just going to take out that channel to come down. So yeah, let's keep an eye on it. Okay, now I can mark this out.
Think Capital isn't your typical prop firm. We're backed by Think Markets, giving you the power and security of a top-tier broker.
Yeah, but you're also giving shit rules and conditions. So yeah, that's pretty much my plan with BTC, with Bitters Coiners. Obviously, as I said, I don't trade it, but that's what I would do. What the hell was that green candle in gold? Let me have a look. Hello. Lovely green candle. That's just, this is how gold volume should be, really. There's 2-minute candles, 100 pips. And then this probably about 5-minute candle. And this is a 5-minute, isn't it? So yeah, 97. And then you've got this one here, which is 73. M1, you've got a 76 pip candle. That's all right. And the 63 pip candle. But if you're looking at this is like a lovely little channel going on. Lovely expansion out of that channel. I would love to go short on this. I just messed that up. Love to go short on this if it gives me the opportunity. But because you've had such a big move, I wouldn't be surprised if we're gonna wee. So yeah. Pretty small candle. We're still in half ATR. What do you mean the first half? Right, so we had a nice little move for the first half of the year. Ah, okay, yeah. I told you, bro, I'm not too sure. Oh, okay, gold. You're asking me or Francis? Tokyo midlines are far way away, bro. Reading price action. That's what I'm guessing. Just following the flow of the volume in the direction. Yeah, nap is good. Nap time is good time. Nap time is what? Good time. Yeah, nap time is good time, don't worry. So EU on Frankfurt Opens literally done nothing, just sat in this range, which is fine. Frankfurt on pound did a drop into the invalid zone, flew up, and then it's just chopped. CHF is weakened a lot. Wow. My Facebook is getting full, bro. I seen one hot woman. Oh my.
Bank of America, say bullish positioning, a headwind, not a tailwind for risk assets.
Or like,
very low 3.7% cash levels, a sell signal.
Latin American women who are like heavily tattooed and stuff like that. Like, oh.
And long Magnificent 7, most crowded trade for 54% of respondents.
Like
AI
tattooed up and
risk for 45%.
Piercings and stuff like that. It's so hot.
And investors say companies are over-investing for the first time in 20 years.
I prefer like all of it, bro. Piercings, tattoos, snake bites,
You're a real day trader.
all that stuff, man.
Financial juice.
Stop drawing trend lines, support resistance lines.
Not for all of it.
Save
It's hot.
67%
I like it. I like it very, very much.
Let's make a big, beautiful deal, people. Come on.
Sadly, you don't get Muslim women like that. Bro, you should take mine. Woo. Let's wait for price action. Then yeah, pretty much as you said, Amal, sabr, patience. Plan is the same as always. Catch one really clean trade. Meet the rules for the 0.5% times 2 on the 50k account.
Fitch rating
Up 4.1%.
challenge Japan, Korea auto firms' profitability.
So hopefully, you know, go from there, innit? And then yeah, just catch one TP if I can on all the other accounts. Should get past phase 1, phase 2, phase 1 on the 200k QT. Should get funded on 2 accounts as well, the small ones though. So yeah, I think the plan's just the same as always really. Obviously, it could be a low volume week just because of the fact that we do have NFP coming out on Thursday. So it could be that price might just consolidate for this entire week, which would be annoying because I do need a trade really. So, you know, let's kind of see how things go with that side of things. Yeah, that's good, man. You can do it.
Meet your new Dell PC with Intel inside. With impressive
Alright,
battery
Dell
life to power
PC.
your to-dos, so you
Intel sucks ass apparently. Everyone's saying. Yeah. No. What's the spread on here? 1.3 pip spread on GBPCHF. Wow, that's a mad one. That spread is wow. Bloody hell, I wasn't expecting that. I'm happy with Manuel and that's about it. And just original, you know, stuff. I don't know, man. We're in a weird spot on the DXY. We're in a very weird spot on the DXY. Because obviously we've got this range here, 99.5 to 102.5, come to a card that I've had a beautiful reaction from there. We bounced off at the 99.0 level, massive wick on there, doji straight back off of there, big bullish candle there. That's a comfortably bullish candle. Now we're back into this range and we're showing a rejection. So I'm not sure, like, the DXY is in a sticky place. That's why I'm just following EU and GU on M1, seeing what direction are they giving me, and I just follow that for now because I'm still undecided on that. One high, 2, 3, 4, 5 relatively equal highs. I am tempted to go long to take out these highs. Yeah, possibly, yeah. Yeah, I'm thinking about it, man. I would have shorted from here. On GC, boy, just tagged the demand zone. Yeah, drop. Keep dropping, yeah? Euro come take out these lows here. Or even this low here. Same with pound. And then hopefully push up from there. And then take out the highs, hopefully. I would prefer that. Oh shoot. Francis, are you still here? I found that girl. Oh yo. Francis gone sleep. He got nap time. Yes, I'm still alive. I found that girl again. Wait. Look, Discord. No, I said to Francis. I don't think you send this guy. Do I have you on? Send me friend request. Oh shoot, London Open. Damn it, why you guys wasting my time looking at pictures of women, eh? Shit. Okay, so London Open. Calm down. Yeah, she's hot, bro. Like, oh no, I'm gonna. You know, if she just looked a bit more like tanned and a bit more like Latin, oh. And she reverted to Islam, oh. And she had 0 body count, oh. Bro, you're not accepting friend request, RIP. What? When? I've not had friend request. Where do you find the requests? Bro, you've not sent me your request. It's not popped up. Normally it pops up in the corner, doesn't it? In the corner. No? Where is it? Want to see, bro? Send me your request in it, goddammit. Huh? I sent you a request. There, try that. RIP, I tagged. Yeah. 0 body count without body. Yeah. Wait, what the hell? Hello. You got some volume coming here, boys. Bloody volume. She's hot. To me, this is just going to be the London Open manipulation, and then price is going to drop down. That's what I'm guessing.
Hey everyone, in this guide we're introducing our new AI indicator which we developed in partnership with OpenAI.
Bro, she's 10-10, man, for you. Oh, wait.
Fuyo. Emotional damage.
It's a trap.
No, she's not Muslim. I said I wish she was.
Haram.
Brother,
But yeah, you're not gonna get a woman like that, bro. Midline, my game is waiting. Yeah. But yeah, women like that, when if they were to revert, bro, like odds are they've been through at least 160 guys plus. And me, I don't like reverts, man. They've all done mad stuff and stuff like that. And I'm just not interested in that. No, thank you. Okay, so. So you got this little channel going on here. Price is gonna probably fly through this entire level. Right now we're about here, which is 3 pips pretty much. Now if we keep going, I will have to wait for a reversal because we've done a fat move off London Open, man. Look at that, bro. Oh my days. Oh my yo. Fuyo. Wait.
Fuyo.
Yeah. Fuyo. Like full on. MashaAllah, brother. So obviously it makes sense. You took out all these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 relatively equal highs. Got a channel here. Flew through this level. Flew through this level here. Makes sense. Makes complete sense on pound. So look at euro. Obviously took out all of this level, delete all of that. Thank you very much. I'm gonna put down this level here as an invalid zone in the hopes that price might come down. But 2 pips, don't worry, it'll come back and tag you. And then it might hit your SL as well. You'll be like, oh no, it swerved me, cancel the limit. I'm gonna leave it. Enters and you're like, yeah, I'm in the trade SL. Bro, why didn't I just cancel it? You know what I mean? That's a structural high. Let's just keep an eye on this. And even yen just literally flew through this level. Yeah, I know. It's all flying, bro. Yeah, looks like there might be no trader today. From the looks of it, boys. I never cancel trades unless I have a very logical reason. Yes, of course. Of course. I did say I want to go along and take that zone out as well, did I not? Did I not say that? Was there any entry anywhere? No, there was no entry. Just opened up and pew. Literally. So now we got equal lows there.
Trading is like basketball. As a trader, you need to train relentlessly, stay focused.
gonna keep an eye open now for a potential. Let's prep and wait now. Have a look what it's doing, innit? What do you think? Ooh, CHF is a bit of a tricky one, you know. I think these days CHF is a bit of a tricky one. Yeah, I think it's a bit of a tricky one. Just wait and see, innit? CHF at the moment, from my understanding, is relatively strong. So I think it'll be a bit more rangy than you would expect because of that. Could this be a breakout of the channel, then a bull run up? Ooh, well, if you'd have took it from here, you'd have needed to cover the zone. And on a 4-point thingy, you would have needed at least 6 pips. So yeah, that would have been a no-go anyway. I'm hoping that we're going to get a reversal now. Because we've opened up, we've done a 25-30 pip move. Hopefully it just consolidates for 5, 10, 15 minutes and then starts to give me a reason to push down. Then I'd like to catch that move down, because now we've had a big move up already. We've had a comfortably big move up. Bro, this guy, I hope I remain alive long enough to get rich enough for a robot waifu. Oh, midline got tagged. This guy, man. This guy. Where's the yeah. Oh man, wasn't ready for that. That's funny. That's funny. Man got tagged. TP, come on, brother. TP, brother. With the goat voice, yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. That's why he's the MVP. That's why he's the GOAT. The GOAT.
I love the way he says the GOAT. The GOAT. Proper full on, like, with the full intention. So funny. So funny. So on yen we have a problem, yeah. Yes, we took the low, took these lows here, 1, 2, 3 lows into that zone, flew up from there. Obviously you've taken this channel out here. Now I'd like to go short, but I'm not sure, man. And if you broke structure here, you would have got tagged in 1 minute if you tried to take it from there. So nothing clean as of yet. I think this would be a bit early to short. Hey, welcome, bro. Welcome.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
How you doing, bro? Mambo Pandu. Yeah, that's okay. 7 pips is nothing when you're talking like 90, 100 pip SLs and stuff like that. Okay, GU is looking like it wants to short, but Euro is still going higher. I'm suspicious. They were both doing this, it'd be cleaner. What we're seeing now from Yen and CHF, they're starting to push up.
According to the government website, US jobless claims is at 232k in October 18th week.
Oh my god, so sleepy. Why? Why am I so sleepy? I told you not to spend any more money, bro. If I was you, spend the money on trading software and trading tools, not more challenges, bro. Don't buy more challenges. You've already got a buy one get one free deal with Quantecal, bro. Relax in it. Just buy, like, if you need TradingView, get TradingView. If you need a journal, get a journal. Like, spend on something useful. Not on blowing accounts, man. That's not a good idea. Not a good idea at all. So see how I said not to short it from here, and then if you did, you would have got break even and then got tagged anyway. Buy OnlyFans subscription. Yo, what's going on with you today, man? You're moving a bit mad, you know. Yeah, Mwangi, something's going on with Francis. I don't know if he's testosterone's a bit high right now or something like that. You know, he's talking about women with tattoos and stuff like that, and you know, he's talking about OnlyFans. I don't know what's going on with him today. I will buy Khalil signals, bro. He's not even alive anymore. Sleep deprivation, yeah, sounds like something else deprivation instead to me, mate. You know what I mean? This sounds like a deprivation.
Brother, haram! It's a trap!
Yeah, more like he does management, innit? Check out some buddies. Yeah, he's looking at too many buddies, mate. Wangi, do you like women with tattoos? What's going on there? All of you lot are single. All of you man are single. All of you. All of you are single. Yeah. Where's Trump? Tate.
Haram!
Why are you gay?
Huh?
Even D knows. Even D knows. Oh dear. You guys give me anxiety. Oh man, you guys are funny, bro. You guys are really, really funny. Yeah, I'm married to the charts, mate. The only woman I would give attention to is a woman who's into cars, races cars, builds cars. I don't think I want a woman who trades. That would be awkward because what if she has a better week than you? And then she's going to be like, I'm your man. I've got better TPs than you. You're my woman. You know, I don't want that. You know what I'm saying? I need to be the breadwinner in the relationship. If I'm trading, she's doing better than me. Guess who's going to be out of a relationship soon because then she wants a richer person? You know what I mean? Damn, it don't work like that. Guilty. Yeah, guilty. We're all guilty. Married to the charts. Who? Really? Why? Why?
Attention funded traders, pass, go live and get paid in as little as 1 day. Funded trading.
So you could have took a short here, but you would have had break even then tagged in a minute or a couple of minutes. Because you're gonna go to your friend's apartment and see your girlfriend emerge from his neighbor's door. Oh really? What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean? As in like what? Like they promiscuous, yeah? I bet there's loads of OnlyFans women from Africa and stuff like that, you know, because of poverty and stuff like that, innit? That's beautiful. The build up, pull back, push. It's a
trap.
Your girlfriend be married. Oh shit. Got you. Okay, yeah. But same in the UK, innit? I thought Kenyans might be different. I thought like, you know, African people might be a bit more behaved, but it sounds like they're the same as white people. Oh dear. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Not good, not good. Because people talk about African parents and stuff like that, so I thought, yeah, they might be the same as Muslims, innit? But nah, sounds like maybe not. Oh dear. Yeah, let them all short, push Bitcoin down more. We'll hop in longs and then they'll all get liquidated. Thank you for the generational wealth Bitcoin sellers. You get me, mate. You bloody got me. Have me gotten, do you? You have me gotten, do you, lad? Broke structure there. That's not broke structure, although it has made a lower high and a lower low and a lower high. That's not broke structure there yet. Do I or do I not? Do I or do I not? Do I or do I not is the question, and I don't know the answer. Do I or do I not?
Your new Dell PC with
Have you guys heard that new SpongeBob, but the funny version of it? Oh, also look at that. Just doing a build up. Flip a coin trading, bro. What's your analysis? 50 cents heads. What's your analysis? 50 cent coin head flip. That's funny. I like the Bismillah traders. The Bismillah traders are best. Bro, I felt like it's gonna go up, man. I just said Bismillah Rahman Rahim and I hit buy. And then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala liquidated you. Your bias changed to short on GBP. Yeah, because we had that big move, haven't we? We've had that big move now, so I think buys are played out. Mikum took a lot of liquidity out. Now I think there has to be a reversal or something like that. But at the same time, I'm seeing this also occurring. Also occurring here. So I'm just a bit. This could be valid, could be totally valid. You know what, bro? EURUSD shorts look good, man. But it's coming near that invalid. I swear to God, if it tags that invalid zone. I swear to you, if it tags that invalid zone. Now we got the issue. If I take it on pound and Euro tags the invalid zone, guess what happens to the pound trade? Guess what happens to the pound trade? Take a guess. I think you already know. Damn it.
Hello everybody, this is Donald J. Trump.
Yeah, Trump, shut up, man. Why are you always active?
If you're a real day trader, go real time at financialjuice.com/purchase and save 67% on a subscription. Isn't that one big, huge, brilliant deal? Come on, people.
struggling to see on the chart. Aha, here. There it is. Morning, Bashy and traders. Yeah, hello. Welcome. Karibu Ndugu. Yeah, you short in gold, innit? From the midline zone. Okay, perfect. So, I wanted to take a short on GU. EU just tagged that invalid zone. We've got a channel built up here. Yes, we've taken these highs. Yes, they both come down. But GU has got that channel right there. We just tagged this invalid zone here. So it just takes that trade out of context now. Update me on prices. London Open happened. EU GU flew up. Well, EU flew up a bit. GU just went to like 30 pips almost in like 6-7 candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 candles. You did like a 25 pip move in 8 candles on London Open. Big move. Div, what do you think? See, bro, Div straight into the conversation. You didn't even give me a chance to like say hello, assalamu alaikum or anything. You just straight into the conversation. You guys are funny. I swear, you guys are funny. We were having a really funny conversation, Divi. I think gbpchf, I'm going to leave it on the sidelines. I might just sit on M15 and just have that as a higher time frame hedge to like analyze price with. So yeah, look at that on GU, man, on M15. For you. I'm gonna take that out because that's done. What a lovely move there. Like, big man move. Sit at 4 o'clock for that low. And possibly this low can sit at 4 o'clock as well. And then on Euro, obviously it's pulling straight back. I'm just waiting for the perfect circle risk 1%, catch 1 to 3, and then profit. Do you think I can find such a setup? I don't know, man. You just inshallah, innit, bro? What else can I say? Yes, I'm single, day man. Okay, broke structure. Didn't really tag that zone. I guess it did, but it would have been in 1 minute, so I could not have taken that entry there. This broke structure here, there's no tagging that zone. We just broke structure here, so you could say here's a potential new zone. Now what's this? 75. I can do that on 75. 5. What's the 2? I can do 3 on there comfortably then. But as I said, we've got this issue now, haven't we? That now is tagged into London misbehaving of late. We got, you should know that markets are shifting weirdly. It's because we're gonna start getting all the jobs data and stuff like that. Because you're gonna start getting all this jobs data, the market's kind of more likely to consolidate and chop until we've got that data to start seeing what is the forecast gonna be, what is the Fed stance gonna be, and all these things affect all the pound, they affect all the dollar, all the yen, all the CHF. They affect the euro, it affects gold, silver, oil. So it's affecting a lot of things. So a lot of the markets are kind of chopping sideways. Obviously indices are naturally going to be affected by this as well, because it's going to like say, you know, what is the Fed's outlook now going to be on this? Are they going to be dovish? Are they going to be hawkish? What's the projections for 2026 looking like, etc, etc. So that's why we're getting that bit of a, you know, That's why we're getting all this stuff happening. See how I said the channel built up? It come out, took that channel. Now you could take a long from here, but I'm not, because I'm not certain. Actually, no, you could have taken a long from there. Teri Beni. Would have been a bit of a bigger SL. I don't know, man. Would I have taken that? I don't know if I would have. I don't know if I would have taken that. Gold is not retesting the fair value gap for me to go long. It's going up, bro. What a bullish breakout on gold. Oh shit. Oh shit. What's silver doing? Yeah, oof. Look at that. It's come for all of it's literally it came for all of this, innit? It's just wee. Francis, you got cooked.
Why so weak? So weak. Emotional damage.
Okay, we're coming for this low here now. Yeah, it looks like I could have gone long from there, but as I said, I don't know, man. I like to cover the low in it by like a good pip. So it would have been a 5 pip move in it, man. And then obviously you could have had build up, push up, and then come down. But on this, you would have had to switch really quick, bro. You would have had to look at this and be like, right, now's the time to buy, or it could just push down. You would have needed a really fast, like quick split-second decision on that. For me, I wouldn't have taken that. There's too many of the factors in play. Could it be the case that this is the build-up? Prices come, took this level, took all of these levels here, because there's quite a few levels right there that is taken, and then now you've had this channel build up just to give a second, just to get all these sellers out of it that are trying to enter on this breaker structure to take them out and then push down. Very possible. So I wouldn't take that. There's too many risk factors on that trade. It's good though, but it's too many risk factors. I like the look of this because we've left a high untouched with the supply zone, but I don't like the fact that we're basically in a bloody channel. Look at this, man. Is that not a damn channel? Bro, man, a free account? Brother, how you get free account? Tell me please. Tell me please, brother. Yeah, brother, I want free account, please. Brother.
Please, me, I need this.
Mama's like, I need this.
My mom is kind of homeless. I live with my dad. I want to help her out.
We know, Amal. We know you want to help your family out. We know you're poor. Don't worry, man. Free accounts all the way. Just follow Francis. Wherever he goes, just follow him. We all broke. We all poor right now. We all need free account. Just be active in the Think Capital Discord and you'll get an account by chance. Yeah. And it'll be a dirty account. It will have the rules are like this. The rules are basically, yeah. The rules.
Why are you gay?
Yeah, the rules are gay. Why are the rules gay? I don't know about that. I mean, it's better than QT. No, it's not. Actually, I disagree. I don't think Capital rules are better than QTs. I don't think. Nah, I don't think they are. Selling some gold. Can y'all see my message? Yeah, of course we can. You just sent your message saying, can y'all see my message? And then before that, you sent a message saying, Dima. That was it. I think QT is better than Think Capital 100%. 150%. But they're both really bad. We're showing error. Oh, that's happened to me a few times. I think it's internet. I think it might be an internet issue. I literally send a message and it goes black and it says error and I'm like, huh? I send it again, it happens again. Send it again, then it's okay. So I think it's either internet issue or it's a YouTube, like maybe there's problems with YouTube. Because it's happened to me loads of times. At first I thought I got banned. As in my friend's live stream sent a message, I was like, what the hell, has he banned me? I started getting angry, like, raw, the guy's banned me. Send it again, they went through, I was like, oh. I jumped to conclusions, innit? Yeah. Now look at that channel, bro. That's not the move. This ain't the move. This is all gonna get taken out. If this was the right inducement, the right sweep of the day, we would have big volume candles, but we're not. We're just chopping in slowly, compressing downwards. That's not the move to take. I don't want to take that move. Euro is doing it better. Euro is doing it much better. Francis is writing a big paragraph, I think, because I was gonna ask him, where was your SL? But I think he's writing a paragraph. Silver's looking good, man. Francis gonna buy OnlyFans subscription after Payalla. He's gonna buy a Mal's OnlyFans and ask Kamal to send picture of his toes. And instead he's gonna send picture of Bajid's toes.
Chef and brewer, where Christmas cheer flows.
Francis is gonna get the Bajid foot pics. Okay, here we go. I was right. He wrote a paragraph. Nah, man. The fight you have to get 2 trades, 0.5, and there is also consistency rule. There's also 25% trades rule. It's too much, man. I think how to end us for 3 days before new. Yeah, but okay. So let's look at it from a. Nah, I'd rather have an AI girlfriend than at least you aren't talking to a man. Yeah. So, but the thing is, 0.5% over 3 days in a 14-day cycle is even harder. On the 0.5 times 2, that rule's not good, but it's annoying, but it's not so bad. If it's a monthly cycle, it'd be perfect. Like literally 1-2 trades a month is easy, innit? But the consistency rule, yes, I agree. That's when they went like, I was like, yo, what the hell are you doing, bro? What are you doing? It's insane. Like, even I agreed. You seen how angry I got? I was like, what the hell you lot doing, man? This is bullshit. So So I agree. But to think that they've done it because they're getting more and more successful traders, so they make rules harder and harder, and they paid out before. But I think Capital's gone straight in there with the worst rules already. It's already started with these crappy rules. So yeah, I don't like it, man. Because prop firms don't get better, they only get worse. You see what I'm trying to say? They don't come out with shit rules and become better. They don't do that. They come out with good rules and they get worse and worse and worse. The more they pay out, the more successful traders become, the more they start restricting traders. So if they've already come out with these rules, bro, where's it gonna go from here? You see what I mean? Like, yo, it's not looking good, man. So there's only one entry here. No entry here, no entry here, which, as I said, I'm a bit suspicious of this entire zone because of this channel anyway. Probably better on Q 2-minute chart, innit? It's a bit cleaner now. So you got that literally channel right there, innit? So yeah, it looking a bit sus to me, boys. Understandable argument, exactly, yeah. But as I said, like, the reason I wanted to go to Think Capital before was because I didn't realize they had all these rules in it. Others I'd have gone to them because obviously Think Markets is backing them all. That's the 150%. That's a benefit. Can't argue that. 150%. That's a benefit having a regulated broker. But then when I seen the rules, I was like, oh, this isn't as good as what I thought it was. But it makes sense for a broker to make the rules as hard as possible because they have to pay out because they're regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority or whoever it is regulated in their country, so they have to pay out. So it makes sense they're gonna have the hardest rules. You see what I mean, Francis? A lot of these prop firms are not regulated by anyone. There's no risk for them. They can just close the business and that's fine. Whereas if you're regulated, you can get fined by the government, forcibly shut down, and all these negative things. So it does. I do kind of get why brokers have harder rules. I get it. Like, it does kind of make sense when you think about it. I like this move on here, but this is just like a build up and then a drop down. I want to see price to come down now. Because now in London Open, we've moved up. We've moved up in London Open 50 pips in about 40 minutes, yeah? They have their own broker in it. They're not regulated because they're in South Africa, but they have their own broker. So the reason I trust them is because if they're a dodgy prop firm, why would they spend 2 million buying a broker? If they were a dodgy prop firm, they wouldn't do that. But instead, they bought 2 million buying a prop firm. They're doing investments they're doing sponsorships for football teams and stuff like that. They've made QT cards, so they now have their own credit card because they have their own broker. So I think they're going into like banking or something. Like they're actually diversifying a lot. So I think because of that, yeah, I trust them. But because of that, they're trying to make as much money as they can from failing traders to support these other business ventures, is what I think. It's a great idea, bro. Set up a prop firm, make 20, 30, 40 million, close a prop firm and buy loads of businesses. Great idea, man. Fantastic idea. Yeah, they have their own card in a QT card. And they're also doing it now that because they have their own broker, you can get your payouts instantly into your broker account and trade it live. So you could request your payout, they'll approve it, it's in your trading account straight away. Like straight away, you could trade it straight away. That's amazing, but it's only in South Africa. They're gonna try and do it to other countries. But that is fantastic, bro. That would be like one of the best features, but I want that feature with IC markets, but IC markets don't let me use a trade copier. But they have a 500k account. But I'd love to go to IC Funded, which is IC Markets prop firm, because they have one now as well. Go to them, get a 500k account, get a payout, chuck it straight into my personal account and start trading it directly. That's fantastic, bro. Yeah, it does. IC Funded. IC Funded. They have a 100k, 250k account and a 500k account, but they don't allow trade copying. Otherwise, I'd have bought the 500k account all day long. Yeah, I only just found out about them recently. I know they were going to do it, but I didn't know they've already done it. If that makes sense. Guys, do me a favor, hit like if you haven't done it yet, in case like you forgot something. Thank you. If you have done, I appreciate you. I like the fact that I tagged this invalid zone, we're getting a reaction. I like to see failure of this zone now, because obviously eurusd is tagged into it, push down, giving a reaction that I wanted to come take this zone, and then I want to take longs back up to these highs here on GU, because that looks clean to me. Because then you're going to take out this invalid zone, these equal lows. Damn it, I don't have to just see what GU does, man. It's not looking crispy clean. I want crispy clean, brother. Crispy clean price action, man. Please, brother. I want crispy cream. Crispy cream. Crispy cream clean. I took a L yesterday. No problem, man. What was it on? What trade? What time? New York, London, whatever. Where is egg sandwich? Inshallah, mum brings it. I took L yesterday. EU sells London. Which funded account by? It's my goat funded account by year 5k equity. Acha by year. Bakar ke funded. What's funded in our language? Why? Is it because you think about? I don't know. That's weird. I don't know why they would do that. Oh, really? Shut up. Why are they blocking YouTube for? That don't make no sense. Why would they do that? Yeah, now shorts were good in London yesterday. It's just catching a good entry in it. I wanted to come up and take these highs, but it just made it equal high and then drop down. I was like, it's so cute, innit? What? Bro, it's not that message that you lot are saying, because I've had that and I'm in the UK. Activated my opinion. I can see the whole video now. Confirms my theory. Wow. Why would Kenya do that? What would be the political purpose or the benefit of doing that? Because my video is not political or anything, so it can't be like restricting policies or, you know, whatever. Okay,
EU Trade Chief says European Commission is to introduce restrictions on EU exports of aluminium scrap.
Oh, okay, wait a second. What happened? Because Euro took a little dip there. Look at that. Took a little dippity dip. It did a dippy dip. Now, do I want to go long or do I want to go short? You know what? Yeah, shorts look good. But we tagged the demand zone there and that one there, so I'm a bit sus. I need to wait and see what price action does. Okay, European Commissioner to introduce restrictions on EU exports of aluminium scrap. Okay, aluminium, that's not a big thing. Sorry, I'm back here now. What happened? YouTube not blocked. Okay, 1 second. Small down, recovering. Great. I'm not using VPN. Mine is Kenya. Should be happening every time. I'm gonna check Twitter and see. Might be a new law or something. YouTube not blocked. That can be confirmed from Twitter. Same bro. Without YouTube, how would you survive? All the how-to videos are on YouTube.
Only showing moderate increase.
Maybe a Wi-Fi provider doing something
Likelihood of
sadly.
extreme and low probability events unprecedentedly high. Risk of sudden and severe disruptions with far-reaching consequences for economies and financial markets and banks is heightened. Top supervisory priorities for 2026 to 2028 include strengthening resilience for geopolitical risk, making infrastructure more robust.
Okay, so that would have been the supply zone. There's a supply zone there, it tagged into kind of, now it's dropping down. What's gold looking like from Francis's trade? There's too many S's. Damn it. My English not Englishing. My English not Englishy. Okay, we've taken these lows now. Sells look like they were playing really good there, but there's no clean downed entry, bro. Broke structure here and it just kept going down, no entry. So it's just kind of sitting on the sitting on the sidelines and waiting type thing. Francis, are you still in your gold shorts? Because looks like you're getting a bit of wick rejection. So hopefully starts to push down. Confirm from Twitter, bro, that maybe your Wi-Fi doing something shady. I'm on Zuku. I just need one good trade to pass the challenge, bro, but I'm not getting it. I want it before Thursday because I can trade Thursday because the news. I need a slap sound. Where's the slap sound? So I can slap Amal. Where is the slaps? I don't have any slaps.
That's cool.
Uncle Roger don't like you.
Yeah. Uncle Roger don't like you. That's not that good. There.
Are you dumb? I think she's dumb. I think she's dumb. Are you? Like medically speaking.
That's the only one I can find, bro. Amal is trying to pass. The Sabr. What happened to the Sabr? What happened to the Sabr, Amal? What happened to the Sabr? What happened? Tell me, please. You were doing so good, and then your Sabr went. You're doing so good, and then your Sabr become. Yeah, looks like his fiber internet issue. Switch to satellite internet and it's fine. No need to rush a mile. That's great. Yep. Slow and steady. I'm taking it. I haven't taken any trades. Just waiting for. Waited since last week. Been up 2%. Amal psychology is finished. It's cooked, bro. It's cooked. Amal psychology was in the toilet. Right there. Sabr is always the most important thing. Always. Midline is midline short closed on SL. The 0.7 is still doing. I might start trading much later then. So you take 2 trades. Okay, so do you take 2? I thought you take 1, bro. Okay, so I took that zone out. Come tag this supply zone. Would have just taken out unless you covered it. No, it means 0.7% pullback on the fib. Yeah. It means on the fib, not on the lot size. Yeah. He always uses fib, always. So all of his like 0.5, 0.7, all that stuff is always he's talking the fib level. But yeah, Amal, just sabr, bro. Sabr, relax, man. You're gonna make your money in trading, don't worry. Just relax. Literally, I need 0.5% just so I can get my 4.5% payout, which is like 2,000, yeah? I'm not rushing, bro. I'm relaxed. Cool as a cucumber. Cool as a cucumber. And cucumbers are very cool. Yeah, on the 50k funded account, I'm up 4%. I just need to make one more day 0.5% and then I can get my payout. So I'm just waiting, innit? Yeah, but it has to be a valid trade. I'm not going to start just chasing 0.5%. It has to be a valid trade. I only trade my trading plan. You could have tried shorting it from there. It would have got slapped. Could have tried shorting it from here. I don't know if you would have shorted it from there, because you could easily say price is taking this low in this demand zone. Going to take this channel out. Lungs are sus. Shorts would have been slapped. Both sides of the market and GU are probably annihilating traders right now. Both sides of the market. On GU. Yen is still showing lovely momentum to the downside. No clean entry anywhere. That's all balanced price action. Oh, wait a second, boys. Wait a second. You might have an opportunity. What is there? Be 5%. Exactly, and for that you need patience. You know, like I'm gonna, you know, for me, if you can't stay disciplined and you don't have patience, don't trade. Literally don't. You're just gonna lose money, bro. I'm not even joking. You're better off going casino, playing blackjack or Russian roulette, and just doing that, bro. You've got more win rate and more likelihood to make money. Trading, like it's a job, and you have to be proper disciplined, man. Like properly disciplined and stuff. This is looking a bit dirty, mate. Proper dirty right here. I'm gonna have to look for a New York trade, to be fair. Gold's dropping slowly. DXY, the chut is hopefully gonna drop. CHF, what are you doing? CHF is just sat chopping. Have a look at Bitcoin. We haven't looked at Bitcoin, have we? Shoot, 80. Oh, maybe he's doing the fake out. Remember how yesterday I said Bitcoin might be doing the fake out, but where are we at now? We're at 29%. Okay. Damn it. Yeah, where's your level? Hmm. 400. Okay, got you. Yeah. Oh, basically London low. Around London low. Yeah. I'm glad I didn't take that because that failed to break that low there. They come up, took the zone out instead. There's a fair value gap in that area. Yes. Maybe on the M5 there is. Yeah, here, yeah. Right here, 5 value gap. Yeah. Hey, that was 30. There. Yeah, I told you, bro. Always look for buys on gold.
Hey everyone, in this guide we're introducing our new AI indicator which we developed in partnership with OpenAI. This is the first trading indicator of its kind using artificial intelligence to...
That's interesting. I was looking at building a bot in it, yeah, for my trading strategy, but you have to use RSIs and stuff in it. Because one guy who trades similar way I do, or I trade similar way he does, he's very successful. He's literally done a bot based on his trading system, and he's used RSIs and stuff like that, and he's changed it. So instead of doing like 1 to 8s and 9s, he does it like 1 to 4s and 1 to 5s. And I think it's like a 65% win rate or something. Although yesterday I made money shorting because yesterday buys be short, but yeah, you can still short it, but just be pro trend is always good on gold. Yeah, it is. NFP is going to be a big mover, bro. Watch, NFP is going to be a big mover. And as I said, I wouldn't be surprised if price is going to chop and do crappy price action until we've got that sorted, you know, and until we've got the NFP data. So I'm expecting price to be a bit torturous until then. Yep. We've only had inflation data, that's it. Inflation and some growth data. We've had zero employment. So this is going to be big for the market. Could be the internet then, Francis. Thanks for coming anyway, appreciate it. Yeah, wait and see approach for sure. But thanks for coming, Francis, and sorry about your internet issues. Ayya. So price come, took these lows, broke structure, tagged the demand zone, shot off from there. Let's go on my YouTube channel, innit? And then you can see in my old videos in the car. One of the videos had like 150k views, I think. That's just me driving it like a madman. That was good fun. Very good fun. Lovely open, London open move. I wanted that, didn't give me an entry. Then I wanted shorts, but then it's compressed and not doing a good move back. Horrendous price action. As long as it takes, it doesn't matter how long. You can't predict the market conditions, and you can't predict the way the market's gonna behave and stuff like that. For me, it's as long as it takes. I don't really care, because it's experience, innit? You're learning sabr, you're learning patience, you're learning the market's behavior and stuff like that. So it's just gonna take however long it takes. And remember, bro, like some of my accounts I've had for 1 year and I'm still in phase 1. Because that's when I started trading, innit? I started trading, bro. So obviously, like, I'm not gonna pass an account straight away. But to me, the pride I have is I've never blown an account. And if I blew accounts and stuff like that, I wouldn't have got funded the way I am now, if that makes sense. Funded without really blowing any accounts, without doing stupid things and stuff like that. Obviously, the Quantech or free account that had the consistency rule is the 5k account. I was up 20%. I just blew it because I wanted to make the consistency rule. I just chicka mari, bro, chicka, and then blew the account out. I don't really care. What am I gonna do with the consistency rule account? There's a free account in it. I thought it was gonna be a normal account. They gave a free consistency rule account, so I just blew it in it because I don't really care. So yeah. And the first time I had a trading account, I did also have a one-step account. Worst rules ever. I blew that. Literally, when I started buying other accounts 2 steps, I was like, oh my god, this is the worst. Then I just did 3% risk, blew the account. I don't care, bro. One phase is 30, man. Phase 1, if just a one-step account, I was like, these are the worst rules. Because I bought that, then I was looking at phase 2. Why phase 1? Why phase 2? I started looking at the rules, looking at YouTube videos. I was like, oh my god, phase 1 is the worst. So I blew that one as well. But as I said, I don't really care about that. Because for me, bro, one-step accounts, you can't trade them successfully. Like, they're horrendous, man. But as I'll say this, remember, bro, hedge funds and banks 15 to 20%, bro, is like the high end of the scale. If you can do 15 to 20% in a year, that's good. If it takes you a year to get funded, that's okay. Because if you make 15 to 20% the next year, guess what? You made 15-20%. If you've got 200-300k in accounts, that's brilliant. بس أنا careful وجد تحسين بتجي جاني إنزي كذا بالكلاس إنه نتينون بدليون be careful. No, not at all. Why would I regret it? Okay. 1 year in, so when I started trading, I said to myself, I'm gonna give myself 1 year to 18 months, yeah, 18 months, a year and a half to like get funded is what I said to myself. And I said that I want to do it in a way where I know exactly what I'm doing. I know exactly my strategy. I've never blew an account and stuff like that. So I said, how do I achieve that goal? Risk small. Risk small, build experience in the market, get used to the market, get used to psychology, all these things. Alhamdulillah, my psychology is good anyway, yeah. But like learn about all these problems traders have and all these difficulties traders face, and just do like some, you know, collection of data and whatever you want to call it, yeah. So I just basically did that, yeah, with sabr, with patience and stuff. The idea was just take as long as you need just to learn exactly how trading works. Not just oh yeah, go straight into trading, full port and stuff like that. Not really, no. So when I did get all my accounts and stuff like that, the mentality was, I've got the accounts, I've got the capital's not a problem, I've got the strategy's not the problem. My lack of experiences, so how do I get lack of experience while still getting live experience on the market? Risk small, risk small, risk small.